There's nothing. Kyakumenyibwa amateeka. Mulabye tutuuse awo era nga tebaagala tuyingire ne bakuba bannamawulire abamu.
Sieged off the place. They invaded our offices, took our properties, the computers, the laptops.
Breaking news. Mumawulire agaliwo omukyala Doreen Kaija administrator wali ku kibiina ki NUP nsaba osokola kati ayogedde akungeri police aba abebyokwerinda gye basazeeko ekifo kino ne babaako enteekateeka obulyawo ze batuukako naddala ku by'okubanga balina okunoonyeza kwe baliko kati okusinziira ku police n'abawadde nga bagamba nti okusinziira ku military drills oba akubyekuusa ku bya security bye baalaba ku kibiina ki NUP baadde balina okujja oba olyawo bakebere satellite wabaawo mbeera mu bigambo bye bw'ati bw'agamba nga tetumwongeddemu nga tetusazeemu yadde n'ekimu hands gemanya gange subscribinga waliwo ate ebikulu ebiddako awo maaso.
But this is our place also, eh? These are our premises, that's why we are here. Are you saying we can't access here? Eh?
At around 3 p.m. in the evening, and roads were blocked as the security operatives, sieged off the place, forced their way inside the school, and began to do the vandalization of all our properties at the school. First, they invaded our offices, took our properties, the computers, the laptops, and of course we had money within that office, the money that helps us to run the operations of the school on a daily basis. Around 2 million was taken off from the office. We had properties like a projector that helps us in conducting the sessions of our students. All that was taken away, and of course they moved on to all down to the other classes, breaking through them and vandalizing the properties, more so the property of the students. But before they moved to the classes, they moved with the data of our students that we have, of course both with the computers but also in the hard copies that we had and that we had prepared to run in the school. So all that was taken away with them. They forced their way through to the other offices, the president's office of the school and our classes. And I think it's been vividly enough with what we've already shown you, the operation that has taken up in this very place. Of course, properties have been destroyed, windows, doors were shattered, our cameras were put off, and all the other properties that have been helping us do the monitoring and also the coordination with our school. Yeah, and of course we had put up our library, a full stock library, and all the books that were there were also taken away by the security forces. And so our worries would have been, why would a security force personnel be behaving more of a hooligan? Why do you move away with books? Because there are no coordinations. Why do, if you need a message in at least the tech, it would be the computers, that would be fine. Then why do you stretch your hand to move with books? Why do you stretch your hand to have our other properties damaged? So this was not a search, like they have already communicated to you. This was a vandalization that took place. It was more of a bandits operation that happened at the school. And we want to send a very strong message that this is the very first time that they're doing this at the school, but they had already done that before in 2022 at our premises of the party quarters. I think that was here. So we want to send a very strong message to the security forces that the more you continue to behave like bandits, you may leave us with no option, but to also be in position to protect ourselves against you. Thank you very much.
Can we talk to someone? Yeah? We are the leadership of NUP. Yeah? Chief, who is in charge here? Chief, Excuse me, sir. You was talking to us. Come again? I can't hear you, sir. We want to access our offices. What is the matter?
Speak to the one in
Or speak to someone in charge. I tell you, have run away.
What are the other
What's the one? No, yeah? I was the same idea. I wonder what emiggo wadde n'ebiwaya bye bakuba bannamawulire kakati bw'obanga kyokola kiri mateeka munnamawulire okuba waki ffe tu accessinge naye of course tulemeddeko ne tubagamba abantu mmwe kino kitebe kyaffe ffe abakivunaanyizibwako era twagala kuyingira biki bye mukukola ne bamala ne bafuluma bangi babadde mu ngoye ezaleeya n'abalala babaddewo tetumanyi biki babadde bakola wano baplantinga oba bateeka mu bya spying oba biki of course ne baba nti bateekawo ebintu ebyokubega tebalina kye babega wano tewali kya bumenyi w'amateeka kye tukola wano buli kye tukola wano kya politics era nga gavumenti twagala kugikyusa mu mateeka naye tukyagezaako kutegeera oba byabulabe ki ebirala bye bataddetaddewo tujja kubinoonyerezaako tubategeeze naye kino kitwongera buvumu kiba kiraga kyekituufu otherwise baali badde tebatukolako lino fujjo naye olwokubanga oba oliawo akazito bakawulira lye fujjo lye bali mukola n'olume kitebe n'omenyamenya kwegamba ng'olaba just bazze kola fujjo kulaga nti kakati katubimenyemenye banakolawo ki kubanga mulabye damage extent of the damage yonna tujja kola stock taking tubabuulire naye ekisinga byonna kino tukivaamu n'obuvumu obusinga bwe tubadde nabwo. There's nothing. There's nothing. So what are you still doing here?
Good. Hello.
Hello. Look at that, this Abantu.
Those people are inside there.
But this is our place also, eh? These are our premises, that's why we are here. Are you saying we can't access here? Eh?